Let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
All right, good morning everybody. We did our 2-hour drive through beautiful Pennsylvania. Man.
And you didn't take a video of it.
Well, because we took it yesterday, I don't know, it kind of loses something, bless you.
Plus, yeah, videoing it doesn't do it justice.
No, not at all. So now we are at Knoebels. I think we're about 15-20 minutes before rope drop. Looks
22 minutes.
22 minutes before rope drop. It's a pretty cute park. Yeah, and I mean, we're nestled in beautiful, I guess they're not hills anymore, they're kind of mountainy. But we're excited. We saw at least one coaster we really want to go on. And
I'm excited.
Yeah.
This looks cute.
It's very cute. Yeah.
And you don't have to pay for parking.
Yeah, no parking, no admission. Just go in and do what you want and pay what you want. Well, pay for what you want.
There isn't a rope drop.
Or we missed it.
No, there's not.
No, there's too many open air. You can walk in so many different ways.
Yeah.
The rides just aren't open yet.
Right, the ride's open at 11. I like the feel.
I do too. It's
Yeah.
like campy.
Yeah, it's very, definitely. I mean, I didn't film it, but there are campgrounds and RV places, cabins. Yeah. Yeah, I dig this. I want to go on the loaf ride.
Is that a ride?
I seriously doubt it.
Let's buy a loaf of bread. It's so fancy. Look at the letters. They're like stinking.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that part. I wonder where their skyway goes. It goes way up the hill.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Uh-huh. Potato cakes, flying frogs. This weird flat ride. I don't think we'll do a pay one price. I think we should just pay as we go.
$18, $20.
Now I'm taking a video. Yeah, I don't know why it's the best carousel, but we have to see. They got a golden ticket for best carousel. That's weird. That's even a. Oh, maybe that's why.
Look, we got dollar tickets, 50-cent tickets,
50 cents.
and quarter tickets.
That's pretty cool. They're like e-tickets and
Yeah.
DCBA.
This place is really cool.
Yeah, and look, check this out. You can keep walking. This looks like a rental home right in the middle of Knoebels. Right next to 2 coasters. That's pretty cool. That'd be a lot of fun. They have a public, well, maybe not public pool, but they have a pool right around the corner. That seemed like where most people were heading. And this looks like a good coaster. I'm excited. Is your hearing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't go deaf from that ride?
I did.
So the coaster was loud, like clacking around the track?
Not the coaster.
That wasn't
the kid sitting directly behind me. He was screaming at a high pitch, even when we were in the station after the coaster was over.
Lucky you. That was a fun wooden ride.
Yeah, it wasn't rough or anything.
No, it was good. Now we're gonna go on the flying turns. The world's only wooden bobsled?
Yeah.
That's pretty exciting. Can't wait to do that one. Want to do that one next, bud? Yeah. Say it again?
Yes.
One more time with feeling.
Yes.
All right, the other 2 are going on another wooden coaster. I don't know the name of it. I'm going back because on the Flying Bobs, is that what it was called? The wooden trackless? Or not, is it a trackless? No, a wooden bobsled coaster. I have no idea if I'm going the right way. I'm lost. I'll go this way. But we got a really cute picture of the 3 of us. We each had our own car, so the whole train to us to ourselves. Gotta put that back in the car, and then we'll go back and we'll have lunch. There's at least one more wooden coaster, there's at least one more coaster to go on, maybe 2. We bought $36 worth of tickets. We might have to buy another 18, but for the three of us to have as much fun as we are having here, that's a steal. What a cute game. Shoot water, make these things do different things. Never seen one like that before. Really cute. And I'm really lost. I have no idea where I am. I want to cross that bridge, but I can't. I think I'm supposed to go over there. Oh God. I did it again. Can I walk down here and go around? No. Wish me luck, peoples. Well, I'm back. I found my way. Oh, that's for Gasoline Alley. The Phoenix, that's the one they're on right now. And after that, there's for as many people that bring in food, there's so many food areas. I mean, there's no lines in any of them. I mean, it's just noon. The park's been open an hour, but there's so many options. I mean, they're all park food. Nothing, you know, you wouldn't expect, but still, there's at least 10, 11 places to eat. Uh-oh. Well, I made a mistake. I'm not riding the 2018 Golden Ticket Award for Best Wooden Coaster. Oops.
We just had lunch. Knoebels is really, really awesome. We love it here. Aaron and Jason are going on this wooden because when we went on the flying turns, we got our picture taken and it was really cute, so we bought it and Daddy went back to the car to put it away while Aaron and I went on this the first time. It won the Golden Ticket Award last year in 2018 for the best wooden coaster, and you get a lot of airtime on this ride. And it's funny, they won best food in an amusement park last year too at Knoebels here. This is a really cute park. I'm really glad we came here. And I think we'll definitely be back. Here they go. Let's see if they put their hands up for the whole ride. Oh, you can't do that. See it at the beginning. I forgot. Let's see when they come up the lift hill. Here they come up the lift hill. Are their hands up? Yep. There they are. Oh, of course, throw back with both their hands up.
Our ride should have no seatbelts and lap bars like that.
Right?
Yeah, because my...
There's lots of airtime on that ride.
Yeah, what did you say?
We got really far out.
Yeah, we did. Your stomach hits the bar at the top. You're completely off the chair. That's really cool. That was a lot of fun.
I know it.
They have a dark ride. I didn't know that. So excited. So now we have at least 2 coasters to go on. Or 2 coasters. I don't think that's a coaster. But we have 1 coaster and that ride to go on. So we'll have to buy more tickets. That is perfectly fine. We're gonna do that after we found out there's a puppet show, marionettes. So that starts in about 5 minutes. We're gonna go walk through a shop and then ride some more rides. Man, this park is great. I mean, it's completely different than Kings Island. I mean, completely different feel and everything, but I love both. Well, pretty much equally, I guess, just in its own special way. Very happy. Shannon, you look sad. Actually, you don't look sad, but why are you sad?
They said it was a puppet show, marionettes.
Yeah.
Not just puppet marionettes.
No.
It's not a marionette show. I mean, it's fine, but
It's where people put on costumes.
Yeah, it's just a...
audience participation.
Yeah, it's just a audience participation. We were deceived.
So yeah, a point taken off.
Oh, 5 points taken off for honesty. We were completely bamboozled. But we're gonna go on the haunted house ride. Now let's see if they bamboozle us and it's something like a carnival theme or something. Wow!
That was so scary.
That was scarier than a lot of mazes we've been through. Most mazes that we've been through. Wow!
That was scary.
But that was really cool though.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it was dark and then there's noises.
So many.
Yeah, things pop up and you can only see it for like a second and then it goes back dark and then there's a large period. there's a long period of dark and you're like, something's gonna happen soon.
And then the scariest part was like it was super dark and then the lights turn on and there's like a semi-truck like
That was,
the ending, like, I don't know what the ending was about. Like, we're in a jungle now? What just happened?
What was your favorite or least favorite part about that ride, bud?
I don't know. I'm quite unsure.
What was your least favorite part?
I'm quite unsure.
We've been here 2.5 hours and Aaron, we can finally see what the map looks like. Would you like to take a look?
Do 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 do. Come on!
I think we don't
do it.
It's humongous!
Oh jeez, great. There's a good section of our wall taken, but that's okay. It's worth it. There's a Skloosh Road. Cool.
Wait.
Let's go sit down at a park bench or picnic table. That's what I meant. Wow, those are a lot of different, unique shirts for Impulse. There's like at least 10 different designs. That's cool. Maybe we'll get one of those for a shirt. Maybe. All right. What do you think of Impulse, by the way? Yeah, the only thing we're not a big fan of is the 90-degree lift hill because
it feels like you can slide out.
Yeah, slide backwards. I mean, you're perfectly safe. You're perfectly safe and you're perfectly safe.
But it doesn't feel super safe.
Right, no, I agree. But that was a fun ride. It was a little on the rough side, maybe a tiny bit, but since there's no over-the-shoulder restraints, it's just a lap bar, it's fine. You're not jostled around. And with just a lap bar going over that slow hardline roll.
It's a little rickety.
Oh, well, not bad. You know what's funny though? That ride is probably rougher than that wooden coaster. Just a tiny bit. But it's rough is an extreme word to use, right?
Right, I guess.
Yeah, we got a couple more rides to go on, and we're gonna go to the museum.
What museum?
The Knoebels History Museum.
What are you looking at me like that?
All right, here's a fascination place. One of these days I do want to play it. But check this out. I guess you win tickets or tokens or something, but you get these prizes for playing. Man, it's like a library in here. Maybe I shouldn't be talking. So much crazy
Just
stuff.
about 3 more minutes till our coverall game.
What? What is she even talking about? Is this like bingo or something? I'm more confused than I was at the start. You can win a towel. You could win a towel. Well, yeah.
Our Travelette. The Travelette is light going from machine to machine, lighting up the number of your machine reps. If you win with the Travelette, you'll double the amount of coins you receive.
I don't know what's going on. You won't even know what you're doing. It's like, okay. Well, that's.
Dinner on table 23, that's that time wins has a special line and cost.
I don't get it at all.
It's cool in here.
Yeah.
The history of this place.
Yeah, Aaron's reading the timeline. Yeah, there's a lot of cool history, obviously. It's been open since 26.
See over there if he's doing
Oh, the country bears. I'll come over there real quick. Pictures of the Knoebels family. And we have been pronouncing it wrong all day. It is Knoebels, not Knoebels. So sorry about that. Country Bear
Jubilee.
Aha, that's how they get out of trouble. It's not the Jamboree, it's the Jubilee. With a heavy heart, we have to leave Knoebels.
But the cool thing is, it's only 2.5 hours from where?
I thought it was only an hour and a half.
Philadelphia.
Oh, from Philadelphia, and about an hour and a half away from...
An hour and 15 minutes.
But yeah, we'll be back here someday for sure. Hopefully before the 100th.
What do you think?
Yeah, maybe spend a couple days, like maybe camp here or something?
Camp, you?
Well, like rent a cabin. What do you think, Aaron? Would you like to rent a cabin and like stay here for 3 nights?
Maybe.
That would be fun. Go to the pool. It looks like they have a couple cool old school slides.
Yeah, we didn't even go on the train.
Yeah, the train, and there's a few things we didn't do. All right, unfortunately we we're not pushing ourselves out, but I think we did all the rides we had to do. And now we're off to Hershey World?
Yep.
Yeah, Hershey World. Excited, Aaron?
Yeah.
So what do you think of Knoebels? Like, what was your favorite thing about it?
I don't know.
I'll tell you my favorite thing about it. It's a tie between the Flying Bobs, the Flying, what was it called?
Flying turns.
Flying Turns, or that Haunted Mansion.
What
Well, those are my favorite ones. What about what? Oh, Phoenix was really, oh, the Phoenix was really good too. Yeah.
And the steel they have is good too.
No, that steel is really...
Their restraints are interesting.
For all of their coasters, they're interesting. I don't think they use a seatbelt on any of them. Well, maybe one, the Flying Turns. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, we're in Hershey, Pennsylvania, where Hershey, where Hershey Chocolate like literally owns this town.
Like, there's Hershey Kisses on the lamp.
Oh yeah, like you can see up there.
Some of them have wrappers on them, some of them don't.
You turn here.
Oh, turn down? Okay, I didn't know it was that close to the park. But we're on our way to Hershey Chocolate World. We're gonna spend like maybe 3 hours there. Because, ooh, shoot. Well, we'll have to go back to the car to get my tickets. No, we don't, not for Hershey World, but if we go to Hersheypark, like the amusement park. Should I grab it now?
You might want to.
Okay. Well, I'll cut this one short. They'll meet me. I'll go back to the car. I should stop walking, and I'll meet them at Hershey Chocolate World. Bye.
All right, we made it to Hershey's Chocolate World. Oh no, it's okay. Thank you. But we're very sweaty, as you can see. We walked like a mile and a half in 90-degree weather. Probably not the smartest move we made this trip. Sorry. We're wanting to find something to drink now. Let's go look. Okay.
I don't know if they recorded anything yet. We're at Hershey's Chocolate World, and we're about to go on the chocolate tour. It doesn't look like it's going to be terribly busy today. Because I've heard this line can get up to an hour, hour and a half long. I don't know if people are exaggerating or not, but people usually do. We walked, so wasn't the wisest decision. It's a very hot day. But we're here now. And we're about to do the Hershey tour. I don't know if they know anything about it or not. We'll find out. Alright. Yeah, this is free. I'd pay money for this.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi folks, welcome to our dairy farm. The Hershey Goodness is so it's the milk we make that's at the heart. Sweet inspiration from the very start, and you can taste the love all over the world. Got that feel good feeling every day. We're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love. Good factory, everybody! Taste the love all over the
My name is Alex. I'm the quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines, then screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor. We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and heat them into our breaking shaker, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which is used later on in the process. Every day, shining paper trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factories every day. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it makes the pan delicious with a sweet that we call chocolate scrub. Chocolate coffee to a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture. According to that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate down through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kid to explain the next step in the process.
Hi everybody! These conching machines use thick granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a funky conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dark bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Aw, thanks Alex. That's so sweet.
packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness. The hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step on the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey.
What did you learn about Twizzlers?
That Hershey bought the company that made Twizzlers, and the Twizzler company was called Y&S.
Meow. It's a little atrium in the middle.
Yeah, we came over here and we got 2 cartons of Hershey's chocolate milk from our 90-degree hot wall.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Might eat here for dinner. Or eat in the park. It looks like there's a trolley.
I mean, if we have time, we should probably just eat here so we don't waste park time.
I agree.
Oh, look at the way out there. Chocolate peanut butter cookie sandwich.
Wow, this is make your own s'more?
Ice cold cocoa pick me up. Thank you.
They got a chocolate shake flight. This one's regular chocolate, right? This one's cookies and cream. And that one's Reese's. How's the first one? That's funny. Yeah, I'll get a napkin. We're just relaxing after going on the ride and enjoying milkshakes. Good?
Oh, sorry. Alright, there was 3 pieces of a Hershey bar sitting here. And we're actually going to throw it in the garbage when I eat it. So why didn't you eat it? I'm chocolated out.
Yeah, I am too, but it's easy for me to get chocolated out.
It's easy. I always chocolate it out too, but I can't throw away Hershey's in the garbage at Chocolate World. That's sacrilegious.
Yeah, that thing's heavy. How big? Oh, 5 pounds. 5 pounds of chocolate.
Wow.
Yeah, and that Kit Kat bar is really big, and I think the Kiss is hollow though. That doesn't feel that heavy. Well, it's a pound. Maybe it's not.
Wow.
I know.
This is actually a full chocolate
Yeah,
bar.
right. Well, it's not full. It's more than 1 full bar. But yeah.
But the Kit Kat, all it is individually wrapped. There's snacks.
No, I want a big one. I want a big one.
I want a big one. Like this. What's in the salad?
If you're gonna make a package that looks like a large version of something, make it have a actual large version of that thing.
Yeah, you hear that, Hershey? Hi.
Hi, Mallow. What's
How
your
did
name?
you know my name?
It's just a good guess.
You're so loud. You want to see my friends?
Sure.
Hello, I'm Graham.
Hi, Graham. You have any other friends?
I'm Hershey. Guess what we make together?
What do you guys make
What
together?
another Graham?
I was gonna say, yeah, come here, Graham.
What do you think?
A s'more?
You want a bite?
Third time the charm for Aaron to make the chocolate face, right? The song isn't embedded into our brains just yet, but this time we'll do it. Good. About?
What am I gonna see next?
What do you mean?
I saw Dunkin' in a gas station.
Yeah.
Dunkin' in a truck.
Yeah, where else? Are you okay?
No, but I don't know what I was gonna say now.
Don't get a vending machine.
Oh yeah. And I don't know if I'm nervous that they have a Dunkin' outside the park because remember what happened last time.
Yeah. Alrighty, yeah. I forgot to take a video of walking through construction land, a new land here at Hersheypark. But yeah, the big new B&M is going to be here next year, next summer.
We're definitely gonna have to come back. Right?
Yeah.
This is all done.
Yeah. Next summer. In we go. Hersheypark. We are in for the second time. I practice sometimes before I actually record. Nathan's dogs, we're getting close to the East Coast. Are we East Coast? Yeah.
Yeah, we're East Coast.
Yeah. There's William H. Hershey. You know what the H stands for? Hershey. William Hershey. No, I don't think so. I was just making. Yeah, I don't know.
Milton S. Hershey.
Milton Saoirse Hershey.
Saoirse Hershey.
I wonder how many golden ticket awards this park has gotten. We shall find out. Time for Aaron and I's favorite type of lift hill, the 90-degree time. But thankfully the rest of the ride looks really cool. Right? Fahrenheit 97 and dropping. Yeah, I was paying attention.
97 and dropping fast.
Oh, fast.
97 and dropping fast is the subtitle.
Oh. 97 or just Fahrenheit?
This is called Fahrenheit.
No, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This one might have the biggest splash of anyone I've seen for one of these types of rides.
No, that is the splash zone.
Well, I think I'm good right here. We'll see if I'm wrong. I can move back if I'm wrong. Jesus. See what I mean?
But
That was big.
Let's go on it.
Yeah, we're gonna go on the mouse coaster. And we just went on Fahrenheit. That was fun.
Yeah. I tried to get splashed by that big thing, but no.
Yeah. Sorry, try it better next time. Maybe tomorrow.
Chocolate.
Uh-oh, chocolate here?
Cocoa Avenue and chocolate.
chocolate here.
I know, isn't that... That's
Didn't we see that at Cedar Point?
Chickies and Pete's? Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, we did? Oh yeah, the crab fries. I remember that.
We also saw it at Carowinds.
Did we?
Yeah, it was at Carowinds.
Oh yeah, I remember. That's the first place we saw it, obviously.
They have Rita's too. But see, we wanted to try it at Carowinds, but we didn't get a chance, so maybe we'll finally try it tomorrow.
Maybe, probably not, but maybe.
Or maybe we'll wait. Maybe they'll have it at Six Flags New Jersey or whatever.
Six Flags Great Adventure.
That's why we keep you around. It's almost worth it.
This looks like a fun one coaster. Queue's really long, but nobody's here. So we'll see if it's abandoned for a good reason or a bad reason. Well, I don't know why there would be a good reason for it to be abandoned, but nobody's here. See, nobody's in the queue. Get caught by the cat. Alright, what was the name of this one?
Storm Runner.
Storm Runner, that was fun. I thought it was like Kingda Ka or what's the other one?
Afro Dragster.
Afro Dragster, but after we go over the top hat and then go back down, we did a version of like, oh, cool. Going down this way? Okay, we're going down this way. We're trying to find the B&M invert. Hey, Aaron, get in the shot. We also just did lightning racers, thunder racers.
The racers.
The racers, and they won by cheating. We raced each other. That was a fun ride.
We didn't.
You cheated.
We got 45 minutes left of this part.
Yeah, we want to do the B&M and I don't know, something else. Surprising nobody. I got number 1 on the Reese's Cup Fusion. That was a cute.
Speaking of nobody, there's nobody behind us.
Oh yeah, I know. We closed down the place. What time is it?
10:38.
Yeah, 10:38. Park closed at 10. So we're heading home, back to the hotel.
We're heading home.
Yeah, I know, not yet, not anytime soon.
Not for another 2 weeks.
Yeah, I'm glad we did that on the last ride. I mean, last ride of the night. That way we can get out of the way, because that's a really slow loading ride. We're not going to go on it tomorrow, but it's cute, right?
Yeah.
It was fun. But now we make the long trek back.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. Hey, you know what? I think we'll end tonight without a wrap up, or do you want to do a wrap up back at the room?
No, we can just do a wrap up tomorrow.
All right, we'll do it. Yeah, we'll wrap up.
Because we're not going to upload this video until tomorrow.
Yeah,
anyway.
this one's going to be a little bit late because we're tired. It's been a long day.
We have to take a video of the hotel room.
Oh yeah, so we're going to do another one. Sorry. We'll see you in a little bit then. All right, what did I do wrong?
You said see you in a little bit.
And what's wrong with that?
In a little bit is 0 seconds because like it cuts to the next video as soon as you stop. So see you right now.
Yeah, okay. See you right now. Yeah, like she was saying, it is crazy how much brighter it looks in the camera. It's actually pretty dark. Get in the frame.
This isn't the darkest part of the walk.
Well, that's true. That's why I'm taking filming now, because I wanted people to see us getting sprayed by a skunk like as it happens, and not us laughing afterwards. No, don't worry about it. I'm just joking. Probably not. But anyway, this is a super safe walk back to our hotel. It's just gonna be long. So I figured now that we got the time to kill, so when we get back to the hotel, I'll just do a quick tour and end it. Why don't we talk about our thoughts for the day?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, get nice and close. All right, first off, Knoebels, tied for our favorite park of the trip, and it might be it's in our top 5 for parks overall, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. What about you, Aaron?
Yeah.
What made, without saying I don't know, or I can't recall, or whatever, anything like that, what makes Knoebels so special to you? All right, Mommy, what makes Knoebels so special to you?
It's different, but it's old, and it keeps its charm.
It's very charming. It's got a lot of personality. Unfortunately, I can't really...
Yeah, it's different. Yeah.
And it has all the charm. It's got personality. It's got a soul. I like Hersheypark, but it doesn't have a soul. It's like a Six Flags or some Cedar Fair parks. It's a good. Oh wow, you can't see me at all.
It's obvious that it's obvious that it's a candy company trying to make an amusement park.
Yeah, and it's a good amusement park. I like it a lot, but it doesn't have any personality of its own.
I thought it'd be more Hershey-ish.
Oh, there we are. Hey. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I mean, there's Hershey all over the place, but it doesn't have...
Like, I figured more of the coasters would be called, like, Hershey names. Like, why not?
Yeah,
like
that's
Twizzlers.
true. Right. That'll be cute.
Twister.
Right. Yeah. That's true. I wonder why they didn't go that route. Advertise their stuff. Anyway.
Like, instead of Fahrenheit, just Twizzlers Twister.
Yeah. All right. I don't think this is a good idea because you can't really see. You can see my shirt. AaronPTB. #. So I should probably stop this right now. Bye. Oh, is our hotel room number? It's a cute little room.
It's really cute. It's big.
Yeah, it's not bad size at all.
And a refrigerator, microwave.
Oh yeah, we have a shower. That's good.
Simmons Motel in the heart of Hershey.
Yeah.
And Aaron's cute. Did you see? You know this.
Oh yeah, the Hershey. Yeah, that's what I started with.
The Hershey kiss. And the O for O.
All right, buddy. Tomorrow, Hersheypark. Aaron, press the button so I can take a shower.